we consistently say it's all about who you know, man.
It's all about who you know.
It's so important.
The gospel is all about who you know. First and foremost, above all, you got to know Jesus, right?
That's what I was going to say. That's exactly right.
But it doesn't hurt to be the prophet's brother. All right, moving into section 95. These are some sweet verses. I know I was joking around a little bit about this being a letdown after section 93, but these verses here are pretty nice. For the preparation wherewith I design to prepare mine apostles to prune my vineyard for the last time, that I may bring to pass my strange act, that I may pour out my spirit upon all flesh. But behold, verily I say unto you, that there are many who have been ordained among you, whom I have called, but few of them are chosen. They who are not chosen have sinned a very grievous sin, in that they are walking in darkness at noonday. Yea, verily I say unto you, I give unto you a commandment, that you should build a house, in the which house I design to endow those whom I have chosen with power from on high. I love that the Lord refers to his work as his strange act. This, the whole idea of his people being a peculiar people. I know that's not the best English translation of what is the sentiment underlying that, but we are to stand out from the world. And the fruits of the Spirit are to make us a peculiar people. And I think looking at the covenant path, looking at the restored gospel as the Lord's strange act, that he pours out his spirit upon all flesh, I think that's very insightful. And it should empower us to go forward and be bold with the truth that we have, knowing that to many it is going to appear as strange. Like, that shouldn't make us shy away from opening our mouth and speaking about what we believe and what we know to be true, just because it's going to be received as strange, right? The Lord himself refers to his act, his works, as strange. Like, from the world's perspective, the gospel, the order, the doctrine of the priesthood is strange. And I think that ties in here with many are called, few are chosen. Why are they not chosen? Well, they've had the faith, right, to enter into the order, but they're walking in darkness at noonday, which means they've entered into the order, but they've not fully committed themselves to being true and faithful in all things that pertain to being a member of that order. And that's a very grievous sin, right?
Hit that like button, leave us a comment, subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it.
They may seem like little things, but liking, commenting, it helps the algorithm push our content out to more people. So it's our small way of sharing the gospel in a social media age.